Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. Today I'm gonna test out this home zone security LED light with a motion detect. This one's supposed to be detect 240 degree, and then as you can see on the back right here, it is a 3-wire system. You got the hot wire, and then the black wire, and then the ground wire. So I got the plug right here that I'm going to test it out, and then I'm just going to connect this 2-wire. And this is the setting, 5 seconds for the time. And then there's a sensitivity, and then lux. Lux is for the ambient light. Depends how darkness or brightness, the sunlight that you want this motion sensor to activate or to turn on. So I got just a regular cord that I'm going to plug in to the wall and then test out for you guys. All right. And you see the one with the big prong, that is you gotta test out the cable and then connect that to the white, which is the hot wire. So since I did the continuity test with my meter already, I want to just show you guys real quick how to test it out. So I test out for continuity, and you try to figure out which wire is for the one with the bigger prong right here. So I just touch in one testing point to the big plug right there, and then I test out for the wire. If you're making a beeping sound, that means you got the right wire. Okay, so that is the correct one. So I already pre-cut it already with the wire cutter, and I'm gonna use a cap that come with it. So I'm gonna wire that thing up. So since this plug is not 3 prongs, so you don't have to cut that one for the ground. So just be careful, don't get shocked. So I'm just gonna tie this up and then do a test. And then this is for the black wire that I'm gonna connect. So I gotta get the wire cutter to cut it out. All right, so let's give a test. And it also depends if you got so many light right now, it might not trigger to turn it on. But let's say if you turn on and off the switch within like a 15 seconds, that would be into like a test mode. So that means the light will come on. Okay. So in case when I plug it in, it doesn't come on, I'm gonna plug and unplug within like 30 or 15 seconds. So just watch the light and then we'll see from there. Oh, so it did come on. So that is the brightness. Wow, how come it's making my camera has like lines and stuff like that? Well, let's see if it's gonna go off within 5 seconds. Let me try to turn out the lights. light is off. Wow, so this one, the motion sensor, it works pretty well. It picks up to 240 degree angle versus the one that I got from the solar one. Somehow that one I had to walk so close, but I guess but when I drive it home today, somehow I pick up my car, which is pretty far, so I'm not sure I gotta still play with it. What it turns out okay. So let's I'm not sure if I could test out how far since it's not installed. Alright, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. This is just to test out this the brightness. I'm not sure it's brighter than my solar panel one. I'm gonna do some comparison right now and then I'll show you guys because I have a solar one right now too on hand. I'm gonna test out indoor. Since I installed 2 of them on outdoor already, so I'm just gonna test out for you guys for the brightness. So stay tuned for the video toward the end of this. Alright, so this one is the one that I just plug it in to test out for you guys the brightness. And I'm gonna switch it to the one, the solar one after this one. So this one is the solar one. It's kind of look the same. So right now I maneuver around the lights. And then this is the plug-in one again. So I'm moving around the light fixture right now to test it out. So let me give you guys a quick review real quick. Well, so this one actually is brighter, okay? But unfortunately, this thing gets pretty hot. That's why this is like I think it's like a aluminum, okay, to cool it off faster. And then the only problem with this one is the sensor. You could only tilt it up, down or up. you cannot maneuver left or right. Okay, that's another cons about this. And then good thing about this is that on this you could adjust the tightness. Okay, with the unfortunately that you gotta use a special triangle tool, which I have, that I purchased on eBay. But it's good that if you want the lights to shine toward the either the left or the right hand side, you could bend the heads like that. Okay, and this one, the sensor is pickups pretty good, because its point is it could pick up within the range of 240-degree angle, right? And then right here is like a aluminum. Is it plastic? Oh, this is plastic then. So here is aluminum. The partial right here is aluminum with the plastic. And then this is not sure. It's plastic or what? It feels like aluminum. Yeah, it's aluminum. Maybe it's a plastic. I don't know. So yeah, overall this light is pretty good. But I'm trying to save money on electricity bill. So once this thing gets triggered up, it's gonna run on your electricity. Even though this one is an energy saver. Let's see how many watts is this. Oh, it only uses 35 watts compared to regular floodlight, which is 150 watts per bulb. Right? And this one has a 5 years of warranty. So yeah, this one you could tilt it all the way down or all the way up. Well, not all the way, but pretty good angle. So I might put this one on the back of the backyard light, because that one's kind of dim. And for security, I want to have a brightness in case some burglar in the back or wandering around. You never know. You know, nowadays there are so many home invasion. So yeah, this one has a 2,500 lumens and 5,000 kilowatts. Save 5,000 kilowatts over the life of fixture, and the light bulb on this supposed to last about 22 years. We see about that. 22 years, pretty long time, but it tends to get heat up fast. So I'm not sure if it's gonna last that long or not. All right. So yeah, give a thumbs up, like the video, and then be sure to hit that subscribe button, then hit that bell for notification, guys, and drop any comments on video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.